hard feelings in your life. So that is these negative things stop you from growing to be a positive and healthy person.
If there's somebody like that who's really negative and bitter, and they feel like they always get the raw side of the deal, and ever since they were little, it's not been fair to them. So is there anything anyone else can do to help them, or do they have to just come to it themselves?
Somebody has to explain to them, and it's very hard to explain because it has to do with youth. Youth is, Abba always took the side of the brother and not the daughter, or the daughter and not the brother, and there's no justice. No matter what you say, justice, God is good. I know there's no justice. My mama and me are not just. There's no justice. And he gets ahead and he wins and he's still winning and he's still stepping on me, and every time it comes to a meeting of the family, he always gets the most and I always lose out. Yoshua Bergman had one problem. He was complaining, his brother, older brother, and they took everything. He never got nothing. His parents took their side and everything. He was always left down and he lost everything. He was bothered all his life till the end of his life. He called me up before he died. He told me, listen, I accept life. God is good. And be positive. He said, forget my wife. I invite you. I'm giving you this, not my wife, myself. He blossomed up. He was able to change. And we did his tikkun, and Hashem took him away. But that's a very hard tikkun for the person. Very hard tikkun. It's a very hard. So you can start explaining and talking, and it's very hard for the person to change. Not easy. Because it says, the person can change one midah, it's worthwhile to live. It's very hard. Listen, I got to get these papers back because next week I will. It's already after 6. I already have them. Yeah, I need somebody to put these away. We got to get them together. Well, we got to staple them. Okay, we got to get them together and we'll do it, God willing. We'll put it together. We didn't do the piece yet. So we got to get somebody.